What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vienna's Beauty, and this channel is all about beauty, fitness, lifestyle, hairstyle, and of course fashion. So today it's all about this look right here. And before we get into the tutorial of this look, I just want to quickly talk about this hair I'm wearing. If you remember the tutorial I did of how to make a wig with just one packet of expression, I'm going to leave a link of that tutorial right here. You can check it up and make this wig for yourself. It's so inexpensive, very affordable, and in no time you have yourself this wig. And I wore this wig because of this look right here, this purple look. So since I have this Zodiac palette, I've been inspired to do a lot of looks. You're gonna see me doing so many colorful looks from now onwards thanks to this Zodiac palette. This palette is very pigmented, as you can see, and I decided to go this glitter because I've never done glitter looks before, and from now I'm going to be doing that. So if you want to get this palette, there's a link in the description. You just need to use my code Vivian8 and you have a 5% discount. Without much ado, let's get into the tutorial, and remember to subscribe, guys. I did my brows off camera as usual, and I'm going in with the color Iris number 3. The names in this palette are so funny, I can't even pronounce some of them. So I'm tapping that color into my outer V, and I'm just making sure that it is well blended into my skin, as you can see me doing. Next, I went in with the color Scorpio in the number 1. Sorry, I skipped this step, but then I'm going to use that Iris number 1 to just blend out those two colors, and I'm lightly going in circular motion. Next, I'm going in with the color Cancer number 1 to tap down into the inner corners of my eyes, and I'll just do that a number of times to get the maximum pigmentation, because this is a matte eyeshadow. As you can see, it's falling off a lot, so I'm going to press that in a number of times. I'll further go with the purple color to pull that into the inner lid of my eye. I'll follow up with the glitter, so this is just like a base. You can skip this step if you want. I should have skipped it, but I didn't. Now I'm just tapping on the glitter, and the name of the glitter is Sagittarius number 8. I'm just giving out the name so that if you happen to get yourself this palette, you'll know exactly what you want to apply. And like I said, the link to this palette is in the description. You can use my code to get a discount. This palette is so nice. You can get so creative with it. I'm just trying to think out of the box with the looks I'll be doing now and really get out of my comfort zone. You can see how all that is well blended, and now I'm gonna go in with the liquid eyeliner to apply. The applicator of this liquid eyeliner, it's not good. What you can do is you can use any applicator you like that has dried up. I'm just using the pencil eyeliner. I like the sharpness at the end, so I'll dip that into the liquid eyeliner and just apply it as though I'm using the pencil. That's a makeup hack I'm teaching you. I hope it works well for you as it's working for me. I'm not doing any dramatic wing eyeliner. I'm just keeping it simple because I use glitter and I feel like glitter is a lot. Next, I'll go in with the mascara to brush up my upper eyelash and my lower eyelash. This gives it more definition for when I apply the falsies. I applied the falsies, and because of the fallout of the glitter, I put coconut oil on my face to wipe it out later. This also acts as a moisturizer, so I'll not necessarily be using the moisturizer today because this coconut oil will already moisturize my skin. This takes away every fallout. This is another hack. I'm pressing in the primer into my skin, and I didn't moisturize my face any further because the coconut oil already acted as a moisturizer. Moving forward to my foundation, I'm gonna use the melanin in the color Nutmeg to apply that to my skin. You can see how the foundation blends exactly with my skin tone, my neck. I'm just gonna spread that around and go further to blend it out. No matter what you do, always go forward with your beauty blender. This just smoothens everything out. It just makes everything looks more natural, and it really makes the foundation blend to your skin tone. Now, can you compare the both sides? See how smooth this side is with the beauty blender. So always go ahead to blend everything out with your beauty blender, and use a damp beauty blender. I didn't dampen the beauty blender, so I spray. You can spray some finishing spray on it, or you use water. It's okay to do that. Now I'm going to highlight my face with the LA Girl Pure Concealer. I really want to try out other concealers, so please, if you have any suggestions, leave them on the comment section and I'll see how I can get to them. Thank you very much. I'm using that same beauty blender to just blend out the concealer, and I love the Elegant Pro Concealer because of the way it blends out. It blends out so easily, so fast, and it leaves no crease if you apply the amount needed. I'm going with the Tara palette to contour my face. I'm not going to be cream contouring today, so I'm going in circular motions. To contour my nose, I'll be using an angled brush to just place that contour. And you have to be patient for this step, because if you rush, you're gonna make your nose narrow and your contour will be looking very funny. So I'm placing that contour where I want it to be, and I'm using the precise angled brush. Always make sure to blend it out. To set the highlighted parts of my face, I'm gonna be using the Sacha Buttercup. I love this setting powder so much. It's my best so far. I love the yellow undertone. Like, it goes for all skin types. And I'm placing that setting powder on the areas where I highlighted my face with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Immediately I'm brushing that out. I'm not setting it, I'm not baking it. To highlight my face, I'm using this Max and More palette. I'll place that highlighter almost above the area where I placed the contour, and I'm using that brush to blend it out. As you can see, don't just put it there like that. Always try to blend it out, and I'm using just a small amount. I'm not using too much. I'll put it at the cupid's bow and my nose. I'll use my finger to blend it out. For my lips, I'm using the LAC matte. I'll just line my lips with that same lipstick, and I'm precising the cupid's bow first before I go ahead to line the other areas of my lips. I'm using the lip in the nude color in my inner lips, and I'll just blend that out. It's been long I haven't used this lipstick. I felt like it was kind of, yeah, the lips was kind of, I don't know how I can explain, but this is what we have. This is the finished look, and I'm just using my finishing spray to spray it. Let me know what you think of this wig. I've been working this wig for the past 6 weeks, and it's still fine. As you can see, I can still wear it and go out with it. This is the finished look, guys. Let me know what you think about this look on the comment section, and please remember to recommend concealers that I can use other than the LA Girl Pro Concealer. So I had so much love from my last video. Thank you so much, and bye. I'm gonna see you next.